Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So today we will be going through the full comparison of the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The full details on this video are 100% based on leaks and rumors, but sure by the end of this video, you will be able to decide which of the device you would like to go for. Let's get started, talking about the length of the two devices. Note 21 Ultra has 6.6 inches, while S22 Ultra is 6.5 inches. The width, 3.2 inches, and 3.92 inches. Weight, 234 grams, and 234 grams. Display type, Super AMOLED on Note 21 Ultra, likewise in S22 Ultra. Display aspect ratio, 20:09 and 20:09. Display size, 6.9 inches and 6.8 inches. Display resolution, 1440x3280 and 1440x3200. Display screen to body ratio, 92.4 and 92.9. Display PPI density, 540 PPI, and 535 PPI on S22 Ultra. Display Gorilla Glass, Corning Gorilla Glass. Both Note 21 Ultra and S22 Ultra has Gorilla Glass Victus. Camera, Note 21 Ultra main camera, 164MP, f2.2, ultra-wide, 36MP, f2.2, telephoto, 32MP, f2.2, space zoom, 120x S22 Ultra main camera, 200MP, f2.0, ultra-wide, 48MP, f4.1, telephoto, 40MP, f2.2, space zoom, 120x. Video, recording max resolution. Both Note 21 Ultra and S22 Ultra have 8K at 30 fps. Video selfie, 36MP, f2.2 and 40MP, f2.2, both have HDR and 4K at 60 fps likewise. CPU, hardware. Octa-core for both of the two devices. GPU, hardware, the two of the devices have Adreno 670. Coming to the chipset, Note 21 Ultra is likely to have Qualcomm Snapdragon 890 chipset, while S22 Ultra Snapdragon 888 or Exynos 2100. The RAM, Note 21 Ultra will be equipped with 12GB, 14GB, 16GB, and S22 Ultra will come with 12GB, 14GB, 16GB. Internal memory, Note 21 Ultra to have 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and S22 Ultra will have 128GB, 256GB, 512GB. Talking about the micro SD card slot, both the Note 21 Ultra and S22 Ultra has NO card slot. Operating system, they will all have Android 12 OS. Battery, Note 21 Ultra is said to have a 5500 mAh fast charge of 65W, while S22 Ultra will have a 5500 mAh fast charge of 45W. The other basic main features are fingerprint, 5G, NFC, 120Hz stereo speakers, GPS dual band, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, UFC 3.1, Wi-Fi 6, wireless charging reversible charge, IP68 certification. When it comes to price, it rumored that Note 21 Ultra will starts from $1,400, while S22 Ultra starts from $1,050. Both devices are recommendable, but note that the stated features and specs are based on leaks and rumors. Well, that's all for now guys. Which of the device would you like to buy? Let me know in the comment below. Without being said, if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.